Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best website. A lot of people making real money from those websites, but unfortunately I make a new account. If I make money, I share with you the withdrawal proof. Okay, now I share the website with you. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Okay, this is the website called Black Shams Smash, sorry, Black Smash. The website is very good. A lot of people online now, right now, this much people online, and this is the easy way you break some things you can get free, or you can make much more, and you can withdraw your money in this all currency or all wallet you want. Just you click join now and fill the register. Just click your username, email and password. Okay, I already have, but I come here, click sign up. Okay, sign in. Okay, this much dollar I found from this website, but now I can withdraw this because they have rules. If you want to withdraw, this is the rule you want. The minimum withdrawal is $100. Keep playing. If you reach the $100, this is the all wallets you can withdraw. Okay, now I click blocks, and every hour you can make 5 hit. Okay, from this every hour they pay you 5 hit. I claim my 5 hit right now. How it's work, just click this one, and this one broke. If this one have something, they show you. If don't, didn't show you. Okay, I break another one. This one, and I didn't found anything. Click. Okay, this is today is my bad luck. I think I don't found anything. Oops, I didn't found anything. Okay, like this you can found much more if you play much more and keep playing to found much more this break. Okay, now you can invite your friends. If you invite your friends, they pay you this much satoshis. They this much hits. They told you the registration, every registration this much, daily bonus country this much, confirmation email this much, and offer wall this much. Offer wall you can earn, and you can click offer wall, and you can fill the offers, and you can make much more hits. Okay, this much offer is available, this much is available too, and you can click any offer you want. You can fill the offer. They tell you how much. How is this work? Just download the app, install, open, and reach the level 15. The most user they pay you this much. Okay, this the our rules. Okay, now you can come here, get 5 hits from a complete quiz, 100% score. Just you can click offer. Okay, this offer show me the error because some of this offer is available some country, some of this offer is not available in your country. Exactly about that they show you some things. Okay, now you can come here, make if you want to make something else. This is the earning you can earn from those breaks. Okay, they pay you something. If you have this much things if you found. Okay, And this website is very good. If I complete this much earning, I will share with you the withdrawal proof. This website, if this website pay me, and this website is the wonderful website I share with you. If you want to invite your friends, just click invite. If you want this website link in description, go to the link and click and come here, register yourself. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Okay, bye bye.